I was seeing the same physician, dentist, for 20 years. He was in the process of retiring, and I had relocated to a different part in the state, and I found a new dentist. When I got a cleaning at the new dentist's office, I was shocked at the volume of stones that were taken out of my teeth from improper cleaning. I had a panoramic scan of the mouth and was told I had over 50% bone loss. I was referred to an oral surgeon, and he wanted to do surgery and do cadaver bone implant, and I was not happy with that. Thankfully, my husband had researched laser therapy, and we found Dr. Amato. And Dr. Amato advised me that he would do this type of surgery in, I believe, 3 separate sessions, that he was going to use the hot laser therapy on the pockets and stimulate bone growth.
We were able to bring her around with our LANAP therapy and get her nice and stable, and she's in pretty good shape right now. I believe she may have 1 or 2 dental implants that we've placed, but she's on our maintenance case, and she's very happy, and she referred her husband to come and see us.
Dr. Amato is very personable. His chairside manner is very nice. He will put you completely at ease. He explains everything thoroughly. He just breaks it down. And I think that's very important, especially for me as a nurse, because I want to know what's going on and what's going on in my mouth, and not just have blind trust in somebody. The procedure was not uncomfortable, and within 6 months, I was definitely seeing that I did not have the bleeding of the gums. The deep pockets that were told to me that were 7, 8s were now 3s and 4s, and I continue to come every 3 months for a cleaning, and I travel over 45 minutes to come down for my cleanings to Dr. Amato. And the commute is nothing when you feel comfortable with a physician. I really want to thank Dr. Amato and all the staff here for helping me through what I thought was a very tragic and emotionally devastating part of my life, knowing that I might lose all my teeth and to be wearing dentures. And they have brought me to keeping my smile, keeping my own teeth, and laughing. If you're afraid, please don't be. Come see Dr. Amato.